Good morning guys, it is December 17th, 2018. I am sister stressed because I just got an email that I need to finish weeks 0 through 3 of online chemistry by 4 p.m. And I have not done week 2 at all. I'm almost done with week 3. I have a few more things to do in it. But I really wish I got more notice about that. Apparently I got that email yesterday, but I don't think I did. I didn't get the email yesterday, but apparently he sent it yesterday. I don't know, and I'm sister stressed and confused, and I'm very worried. So catch me in the library at every possible second to try to catch up. Oh, OTD. We have my Beatles shirt is from Forever 21. Jacket I think is also from Forever 21. The choker is from Tilly's, and my Fashion Nova pants. Zoom. Love that.
Say hi to my vlog. Yeah!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chemistry! No, I didn't hear you. Try again. Everyone ready? I know. You did. Everybody else was like, ha, that was a good joke. I didn't know. Ready? 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Chemistry.
Oh yeah, there was a guy who said, oh yeah, you know, when it's like really cold outside, you know how to stay warm?
Oh, no,
Yeah.
I don't want to know.
Yeah, you don't want, no, you may just wear more clothes. But some people think you take off clothes and that's how you stay warm. Don't ever let a person tell you that that's the way it's done, alright? Yeah.
Explain that game one more time. That doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't. Well, okay, if you get a chemical
Are you
spilled
talking
on
about
you.
like strip poker or something?
No. People get cold, they want to stay warm, so they say it's body
they
heat,
take
right?
off Oh,
You ever heard that before? It's
So they
terrible.
like cuddle, but it's not like.
Are you ready?
2.
No, you got for 5. People can't get on the same page. Ready? 5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Chemistry.
You got it? You got it?
Oh.
There it goes.
Wait, but
Is it gonna-
that's just a baby.
Oh my goodness. Disappointing.
It's like my life. Wait, is that
Slowly burning up.
Count of
Stars.
5, and I will yell chemistry.
how do we do this?
Oh yeah, he
All right.
demo
Oh,
it.
how to mix
Yeah, that's a.
5, and then all shout chemistry. Here we go. 5.
You just gotta turn upside down.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Chemistry. Turn it. Ew. Oh. Oh, it's like soda. Oh no.
Yeah. Okay, that's hot.
It is? Oh.
Warm.
Hi guys, so it is 5:41ish and I just got done with online chemistry. It was actually really fun today and I was having a good time, okay? So I think I'm gonna go to Target now because I need to get gifts for people and I need to get some other things. So I'm gonna go there. I am so sore, oh my god. But anyway, yeah. Also, Pete, my like years old Hello Kitty band-aid. I was about to like accidentally flip you guys off. I'm sorry. I started bleeding. I scraped my hand on the like rocky bench part at our school, and I started bleeding because my hands are so dry. This is how it be. This is how it be.
Got a new notebook. Remind me to go to Target haul later. I'm gonna get ready for bed. We're staying going to bed earlier than normal. Hopefully. If I forgot to say this earlier, I got a 14:30 on my first SAT and I found out on Friday, but I probably forgot to tell you guys, so if I forgot, here you go. Good night, guys.